Welcome back to Periodized Strength. Today we're going to be teaching you something that weightlifters do that you don't for your mobility. Let's get right to the video. Something that weightlifters do to increase their mobility in their thoracic spine, which is basically the middle to upper part of your spine, is this exercise and this drill. The beauty of this is that all you need is a PVC pipe, but we're going to be using this rig to give me an extra hand for this. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to be bringing the PVC pipe against the rig or whatever you have in front of you. We're going to do our best, bring our elbows through and up. We're going to practice that here. What this is allowing us to do is to help us gain and practice thoracic mobility here. You can easily do this without the rigs. It just will feel harder to get into those positions. What I like to do is I like to try and keep it against my neck and then bring the elbows up and high as possible. Here, bring it here, high as possible. Doing our best to keep our chest nice and proud and our hips back. If you do any sort of front squat, back squat, anything that requires you to have a upright posture or an upright chest, this is a really great movement to try. Try this using your rig or try this using a PVC pipe to see if you can get more extension here so that when you're doing these lifts in your front squat, in your back squat, you are in a better position. Because what causes a lot of failure in the front squat and the back squat is this collapsing of the thoracic spine. When we're in a heavy front squat here, once we go forward and we cannot hold the position, obviously the weight's gonna dump forward. If we're in a back squat, same exact thing. I think this is actually probably more dangerous. When you're here, and if you can't hold your upper back, what'll happen is the bar will roll towards your neck and lights out. So this is really easy to do, and if you do this every time as a warm-up before you do a front squat, back squat, anything like that, this will give you some more mobility in that area. Weightlifters use this drill all the time to get the best results when they're lifting weight over their head. So it makes no sense to me why you wouldn't do the same. Thanks so much for watching Periodized Strength. If you guys like the video, like, comment, subscribe. Videos coming out every week, and we'll see you in the next video. Peace.